Good morning, guys. We got a busy day. I'm off today. Sarah's working a half day, so you'll be hanging out with me for most of it. Let's get started. Like every day off should be, we're off to Lowe's. Why are we at Lowe's, you may ask? Well, we have a few projects today. First off, we're adding an outlet in the pantry. We got a new vacuum that hangs on the wall, and that was really the best place to put it. So we gotta put an outlet in there so it'll charge. We need to get a few things to paint our axes, and also it's Lowe's, and who doesn't want to go to Lowe's, right? Lowe's. This is definitely going to be a Jeremy needs a buggy trip. Alright, Sarah wants some paint for her axes. I think I do as well. I'm going to go with some purple, maybe a little green. Sarah wants to do all black because she's cool and I'm not, so see what we can find. So this is what I've decided. Sarah's getting the matte black. I'm gonna get this gloss rich plum and then some matte gray. Tape a few things off. I think it'll look pretty cool. I'm out of focus. Alright, off to electrical to get a gang box and an outlet and all that jazz. Now, I am by no means an electrician. My brother is, but that doesn't mean that you can't do in-home wiring yourself. That sounds terrible. So, just make sure you turn your power off, right? Of course, nobody wants to get all shocked up. So, we're here getting gang boxes and wire. I don't know much about all this, but I do know a little bit, enough to get me in trouble, I guess. So there's the wires, here's all your gang boxes. You have what's called old work and new work. I'm not sure exactly what the difference is, but all I know is that I needed one of these right here. So this is what I ended up with. So I got my wire and my box. This box has the flaps, so when you punch it through your drywall and you tighten this screw, it sucks into the wall. So this is what I ended up with. This is my haul, if you will. We got some paint, we got some tape, we got some stuff to put in an outlet, and a drywall saw. That's fun to say. Drywall saw. Let's go check out. Alright guys, got our goodies. Let's go home and put in an outlet. Alright people, we are back home. I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing. So, our pantry, we got a vacuum to put in here, and it needs power. So, I'm going to put an outlet right here on this wall, and to do that, we have an outlet on this side. See, Lulu's the outlet model. We're just going to piggyback off of this one onto the other side of the wall. Before we get started, I want to see if I can show you something without something flying away. So you might have heard us mention it before, but we have a bird's nest. There's mama bird. She's doing a great job. She always stares at us when we look at her, but let's see if you can see it. Okay, right there. You see right in the middle, right there, I have a time-lapse camera. So we'll be able to see all the eggs and the little babies when they hatch. She's doing a wonderful job. So we'll definitely keep you updated on that. Alright, so let's get started with this outlet. I'm going to clean out the pantry, cut the power, put it in, make sure everything works, and then we'll be done. And you're coming with me. Pantry cleaned out. Well, not the whole thing, obviously. Portion of pantry cleaned out. So, let's go cut some power. Let's see. Bedroom, kitchen, washer, kitchen, bedroom, microwave, dryer, bedroom, disposal, dishwasher, range. Let's try this one. I don't know what that one cut off. I know they make testers and things to see if things have power, but I don't have those. So I've got a fan that's running. It's plugged in the outlet that I want to work on. And to make sure it's off, I'll just make sure the fan's not working anymore. Let's try like general lights. It'll probably turn off a lot of things. Oh, I still hear the fan though. Let's cut that back on. We tried that one. We tried that one. Microwave, outside storage, dryer. It shouldn't be the dryer. That doesn't make any sense. Dishwasher, AC, utility building. That's the shop. I think that's the one. Fan is no longer working, right, Norman? I'm gonna put it right here. This is the wall, the pantry. This is the door right here, just for your reference. I know we got a stud here. It's hollow here, and then this is where that outlet is. So I want to put mine about right here. If you've never sawed a hole into your wall before, it's a little strange. I'm not gonna lie. I've done it a few times, and you always feel weird about it. But I'm not a professional anything really, so. Got a hole in my wall. Well, I already pushed a little bit of Romex through there. Romex is just the name of the wire, I guess. It could be the brand name. I'm not really sure, to be honest with you. There's a hole in this box. I'm going to put that wire through that hole. And these are when those little tabs come in handy. So you'll push this into the wall, tighten that screw, and these tabs will suck closer to the drywall and kind of hold you in place. There we go. Push that in place. Take our screwdriver. And alright, she ain't going anywhere. So, time to expose some of this wire. Got my handy dandy multi-tool. So, your standard outlet. Once again, I preface this by saying I'm not an electrician. My brother has taught me that your white wire goes to silver and that your black wire goes to gold. And your your ground wire goes to green, and that's ground. Alright, so this side's ready to roll. We're going to work on the other side and check back in with you guys. We're done, except for putting everything back together. So I'm going to test it first. So let's go cut that breaker on. Make sure we don't hear any loud noises. Well, that's a good start. So let's do the fan test. All right, outlet, fan. Fan works on this side. Let's try out the new side and see if it works. Guys, fan, outlet. It works. I'm not a complete idiot. Yay! All right, I'm gonna button everything up and then I'll show you the finished project. And just like that, we are charging. So, finished product. Well, I'll unplug this for you. Finished product. We have a nice clean outlet in the pantry for the vacuum. All charged up. Still got to clean up on this side. This is back to where it was. Now that that's done, all the power's back on in the house. It's about 10:30. I have like 2 or 3 other things to do today, but I can't do them until a little later. So I don't know what to do. I'll figure something out. When I do, you'll come with me. I know what we'll do to kill some time. Let's go explore. That was fun and super scary. The one with the bridge was probably the scariest thing I have ever done, hands down, with a drone. It's always a little scary because you can't really see. I mean, you can see what you're doing, but you know, you're supposed to have line of sight. Well, when something is 50 to 100 feet away and you can see it, but you can't see how close it is to something or anything like that. Scariest thing I've ever done, hands down, with a drone, hands down. Okay, time to head to Charlotte. So we're in Charlotte. I'm gonna see if we can get this to work. Here we go. Yeah, that's better. I don't look like such a hooligan anymore. Well, we're back home from Charlotte, and the only thing we have left to do today is cut the grass. Let's get to it. let's head down to the building and start getting stuff ready. So this is my little workshop, my little building, if you will. It's where I have things to make things with and to cut grass with. But it's also where we keep some axes right outside of the range. Let's see what we can do. Not too bad. Let's give it one more. Alright. Hey, that's a little better. I'd call that 5. Alright. Enough screwing around, Jeremy. We got work to do. We are all done with this yard. Doesn't look that bad, if I don't say so myself. This video brought to you by John Deere. No, it's not. We're no sponsored whatsoever. But hey, John Deere, if you want to throw a little money our way, go for it. We're gonna put the mower up. Well, everyone, it is the next day, and my lady is here with me. I forgot to film an outro for the video, so I'm doing it right now. But this is going to be a teaser of sorts for our next video. That's it. All right.
That's all you get.
So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and comment and share and
like stuff
and do things and all that jazz.
Mama bird's over there watching us film right now.
Oh, she sure is. She doesn't like it. So,
Oh, there's blue hair on the screen.
oh my gosh, it's like you guys can see again. So,
Yeah. Remember,
you can do all things.
including installing outlets. Or maybe when you come home, there will be one magically in your pantry.
Oh, that'd be awesome.